How to make a Java Bedrock Crossplay with Aternos server. Now, the whole process should be done directly into the Aternos.org's official website. Just go into the site, create an account, it's totally free. Now, create your own server, and this is going to be your interface. So, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, to download the latest version of the MC plug. To do so, just go into the software. Now, this will also allows you to download and add additional plugins. Now, simply download and install Paper Bucket for you to be able to have additional feature to download plugins. Now, just simply download the latest version of Paper Bucket so that you will have this kind of additional feature. Next thing to do is just go into the plugins and then just simply search for Geyser, and then you need to download Geyser MC, MC Emote Menu, MC Hurricane, Skin Manager, and as well as MC Block Support. This will allow you to use these features while you're on a Java Bedrock plugin server. You could also download Bedrock Player Manager so that everything will be completed. Now, the next thing to do is go into the server once you've downloaded all of those plugins. Now, and whenever you click on connect, you will be given out a certain number of a port and as well as the IP address. You just have to change it depending on the Java Bedrock where you will or you would like to go in. And that's it. How you make a Java Bedrock crossplay with a Terminal server.